shady. Convict up front, econ, Slim Shady. I see the one, could she be that lady?
Меня зовут Имамбердин Нуктас. Мы ученики 8 А класса принимаем челлендж, посланный нам 8 А классом.
This is amusing. We're ancient, realists are kids.
My name is Bey Sultan. Our school has 30 teachers and 156 students in our school.
Мен бастауай Перизат. Бұл Мәншүк Мәметов атындағы орта мектебінің кітапханасы.
Convicts got the whole thing packed now. Step in the club, the wardrobe intact now. I feel it on and crack now. Pocket full of that now. I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow.
Это место отдыха. Вы можете свободно
Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly
Бұл мектептегі Диола.
back and watch me smack that.